Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s, and we have like this. Now we do common denominator. Next, we have 3s minus number 3. So number 3 and negative number 3, we have number 0. So s divided by s, we have number 1. And now I can put number 0 cone here, and we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.